Question 2.5. A car moves with a uniform velocity of 40 meters per second for 5 seconds. It comes to rest in the next 10 seconds with a uniform deceleration. Find number 1 deceleration, number 2 total distance traveled by the car. Now make a picture of this statement in your mind. A body starts from point A that is point A, where its initial velocity Vi is equal to 40 meters per second. For 5 seconds, time is equal to 5 seconds. Suppose 5 seconds are completed at this point. Now at this stage, Vf of this body is 40 meters per second. It does not change at this point, and we can calculate distance traveled from A to B in 5 seconds. S is equal to Vt, velocity of this body is 40, time is equal to 5, so distance traveled is equal to 40 into 5 is equal to 200 meter. So S1 will be equal to 200 meter distance traveled from point A to B when velocity is 40 meters per second. Now consider this point, that is B point. Now we will consider this velocity as initial velocity. Initial velocity that is equal to 40 meters per second. It comes to rest in the next 10 seconds. Time is 10 seconds. Suppose at this point 10 seconds are completed, so its velocity will be Vf, that is equal to 0 meters per second. Now we have to calculate distance traveled at this time. We have a formula. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Velocity Vi is equal to 40. Acceleration we have to calculate. Time is 10 seconds. Now velocity at this stage is 0. So 40 plus 10A is equal to 0, or 10A is equal to minus 40, or 10A is equal to minus 40. Divide both sides of the equation by 10, we get A is equal to minus 4 meters per second per second. Now we can calculate distance traveled. 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. 2 acceleration is equal to minus 4. S distance traveled we have to calculate. Final velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity is equal to 40 meters per second. 40 meter is at this stage, 40 meter at this stage. Now it is equal to minus 8s is equal to 40 square is equal to 40 times 40, that is equal to 1600. Now 1600, 8s is equal to 1600. Divide both sides of the equation by 8. We get S is equal to 200 meter. Now total distance traveled from point A to B and from point B to C is equal to S is equal to number 1 200 meter, number 2 200 meter, that is equal to 400 meter. So the distance traveled by the car is equal to 400 meter, while the deceleration is equal to minus 4 meter per second per second. Bye.